Tēnā koutou katoa, ngā mihi nui ki a koutou mai tahu whānui. Lisa Tumahai, the representative for Te Runanga o Ngāti Waewae, and I'm very humbled to have been elected as the Kaiwhakahaere for Te Runanga o Ngāitahu. I would like to acknowledge David O'Connell, our representative for Taumutu, and Quinton Hicks, our representative for Arawhenua. And it's been a long electoral process for Te Runanga o Ngāitahu, but it's important to acknowledge their standing for the role and congratulate the whole of the table that we've gone through the process, and I'm humbled to be the Kaiwhakahaere. Well, the first priority for me is to get to the table, continue to work on the unity that we've worked on over the last 11 months, but actually solidify it, make stronger commitments to one another, so unifying and working in a cohesive manner. Ngāi tahu whānui are watching us, and when we're not well, they're not well, and so we've got to really step up to the mark of the responsibility that has been gifted to us and fulfil that responsibility. I'm humbled to receive a strong mandate, and that's a good sign for Ngāi tahu whānui and for Te Runanga o Ngāitahu. It's obviously been recognised that it's time for a different style of leadership, and my style is that we need more empathy, we need more humility, we need to take better care of one another and respect one another. No matter how diverse our opinions are, no matter how robust that decision making is in the boardroom, it's time for a change in leadership style which embraces all of the diversity of the boardroom. And I think with myself and with my congratulations to Matapura Ellison, the representative for Puketeraki, on being elected today, also with a strong mandate as the Deputy Kaiwhakahaere. We both have similar characteristics, but also very different strengths and weaknesses that we both bring to this role. But I think together we're going to complement each other and bring the iwi forward into the new phase. Look, the big picture for me for the iwi is that in the next 20-year period we've actually done an evolutionary shift to ensure that we're fit for purpose for Ngāi tahu whānui going forward. It's extremely important. We've got a large young generation coming through, and they're in a different world to a lot of us that have been in this iwi space for a very long time. Technology is rapidly changing. So I think my vision is that we've actually got a strong governing board of Te Runanga that's fit for purpose, but we've also got a thriving iwi who are engaging, who feel engaged, who feel listened to, who are participating in setting that future direction.
Kia ora, ko hiro hekaro o te mauka, ko waikawa te te awa, ko tānik te papatū whenua, ko Puketeraki Parai, ko Kāti Huirapa, ko Kaiturihi ngā hapu e noho nā. Kia ora tātou. My name is Matapura Ellison. I'm the representative for Kāti Huirapa Puketeraki, and I've been that representative for a number of years now, and feel as that I've reached a point to step up into a new role. And firstly, I think it's really important to acknowledge the successful election of Lisa Tumahai to be the Kaiwhakahaere. I think it's a wonderful decision by Te Runanga, a decision which leaves no room for doubt as to the solidarity, the kotahitanga, which has been gaining momentum, and I think it bodes well for the future. So I pay respects to Ngāti Waewae as well, and their support for Lisa and her whānau as well.